Welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking on my this video. And this is very specific topic I'm going to discuss here. And I really want to discuss this topic because I think that I think everyone's that not everyone, but in beginning time it's fine that we are learning the word separately, but it doesn't work if you are just keep learning this way. It is wrong method. But in beginning time it's fine, completely fine to learn separate words, but it doesn't help us to form sentence correctly. It doesn't help to improve our sentence formation. If we keep applying this method, we'll never improve our sentence method. If we want to learn effectively and want to improve our sentence formation to sounds good, to sounds advanced level, so we must apply the method that I'm gonna share with you, and it's very effective and it's very important to apply it. And I'm also applying it and it's really helping me a lot. Okay, so the first thing is I want to say that how do I learn? I don't learn it. Now I have completely stopped to learn, to see on social media the words, and we come across so many videos, right? What's the separate words meaning? But it's not good thing to watch such videos. I'm not saying that completely stop it. If you're beginners, just keep learning this way. But once you have basic command of vocabulary, you learn so many basic words, then stop this method. If you'll keep learning this way, you'll not improve your sentence formation at all. If you want to improve your sentence formation, just learn the sentence as it is and just take it as it is and apply in your speaking. When you speak, then just apply that sentence as it is. Don't make any changes in that message, in that sentence, sorry. And the phrases, you take it, we can't make any changes in phrases. But when it comes to sentence, now we all people do this mistake to make some changes, and then we get confused. The same word we get in another sentence, then it has another meaning. Then we get confused, and we don't we are unable to improve our sentence formation. I think if we will stop it and we'll take it the sentence, and we also improve. I think the second thing I want to mention, that we should not focus only just learning. It's not about learning the words only. It's about that you are comprehending English or not. If you are comprehending English, that whatever you read, whatever you listen, whatever you are just doing on social media and while reading, are you consuming well? Are you understanding those content? Are you understanding the book? That matters a lot. It's not about that how many words you are taking it and learning it. It's not about it. How many pages you are comprehending in reading, how many sentences you are understanding well, that's matter a lot. For example, that I am simply reading the books, okay, and I come across a new words, then I'll just highlighted that word full sentence, okay, to understand well. Then after reading, then I'll search that word full sentence. Then after understanding it, if I like that word, that sentence, I'll just think to use it as it is, and otherwise I'll just try to comprehend and just keep aside. I'll not do anything. I'll not force myself to just take it and you have to do it. Even I'm not feeling to use it. But if you are only understanding, it's fine. Don't force yourself to learn it. If you're feeling you want to use that word, you like it, then you can take it. But don't force yourself at all. And just try to comprehend. Just work on your comprehension very much. If you will just work on your comprehension while reading, while listening any content, then you'll not get any problem while communicating with people, because you will understand them well, because you are understanding English. That is matter a lot. That's matter a lot. In my case, I also approached this method back then time, and I learned so many words, and I made so many notebooks about it as well. But I couldn't I couldn't recall them at my speaking time, in my speaking time. When it comes to speak, we are unable to use all the words which we jot down in notebook, whatever it is, right? But we don't recall them. Only few of them we recall, and we just utilize in our speaking time, right? But otherwise, or other words is like pointless, right? But if you will not work on the separate words, only work on full sentence comprehension, and try to use them and try to comprehend them, that will help you a lot to improve your sentence formation. Just do not only work on your vocabulary, just work your sentence formation as well. Because just work on your phrases, try to use new phrases. That makes advanced speaking. I'm also still doing these things, and it is helping me a lot. That is I want to tell in this video. Because I also face sometimes this problem when I communicate with anyone and they are speaking, and sometimes they just use new phrases. I get trouble to understand them. Then I think that yeah, I should also learn like them. So yeah, I'm also learning so many phrases and sentences. I like, just one thing I want to also mention here, that just read the book that you are very interested, and watch only those contents that make you feel happy, you feel interested. Because when you watch movie, any Hindi movie, like your mother tongue, in your mother tongue, like you watch any movie, right? So then you are very interested. Okay, my favorite movie is PK. When I just watch that movie, and I pick some dialogue automatically because I like that movie, right? I am interested to watch it. So the dialogues will go to your subconscious mind automatically. If you will just if you'll just watch only that movie which you are interested, if you will watch it, and if you will if you'll read the book that you are interested, then you'll definitely learn and comprehend all things very well. I i am not saying sake of saying, I have experienced it. And I also use lots of phrases from the book that I was very interested, and I have read two times. I have read two times because I literally like like that books. That's why I'm saying that just choose it. Because it's in beginning time we just say something else. We don't say we just chase something else. Like for example, we are reading, so we feel that we should read only those things that we will get the knowledge. Like, don't read. I know that not every people implement. If you are just okay, I can consider it like you are just reading the book that you are gaining the knowledge. But like some people are able to implement those things only, and some people just read it to just gain knowledge, then they don't implement. So what's the benefit to read, right? Reading only help, then we are able to implement what do we read, what we read. If we are implementing, then we get the benefits of reading such books. If we are reading, okay, and reading the books only for improving sentence formation, keep in mind that you only not reading for gaining knowledge, you are reading for improving your sentence formation, for making good comprehension in this language. Just keep in mind, and just read only those books that your favorite one, and whoever just suggest you to read that book, don't just blindly buy that any book. Just first of all download the PDF, read it first. If you feel that yeah, I can read complete book, then you can order that book. Otherwise you shouldn't. Because I have made this mistake a long time. I have made mistake where I made mistake. That's why I'm saying, because I bought a book and it is like I didn't read. when I read one page, then I didn't feel to read, and it is in the corner. It is in a corner, and I just only read one page only. I'm not interested at all to read that book at all. That's why I'm saying that from my experience, that you should only like order the book that you are interested, and you have freedom, right, on YouTube, another social media platform, that you can choose any video according to your preference. You can watch any video. It's very simple. Just work on your comprehension, and then you'll get lots of improvements in your English. And for now, I'm going to close this video, and thank you so much for watching me till the end. And please comment me how was the video, and did you like or not. Bye bye.